How to use Shazam on Snapchat. Hello digital friends. Today, I'm introducing another Snapchat feature that can be interesting and useful for you. On Snapchat now you can use Shazam to find the name of a song based on its sound. Let's try it out. Open the Snapchat application. While the song you're interested in is playing in the background, long press the screen and wait for a few seconds. During this time, it will scan. Very quickly, you'll see the scanning result and you'll have information about the song's name and artist. For more information, click on Info and Snapchat will direct you to Shazam. If you scroll down, you'll see the song lyrics. Additionally, you can add the song to your favorites by clicking on the heart and use it later. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and follow for more useful tutorials.